In this video, we'll be looking at how to use our TI-84 calculators in order to help us solve a system of simultaneous equations. So, you may recall that the solution of a system of equations is the point of intersection. So what we're really going to be looking for in our calculator are intersection points, or in this case, one intersection point. So in order to do this, we first need to graph our lines. So we start off by going to the y equals button, and we will type the equations in. So one equation will go in y1. We click down to go to the other line, and the other equation will go in line 2. All right, so once our equations are in, we have to press graph, and the calculator will graph both lines for us. So much easier than having to find everything ourselves and graph it by hand. All right, so now that we have our graphs, in order to find the point of intersection, which you see right here, we need to go to second, calc, which is the trace button, and we're looking for an intersect. So number 5, or you can just scroll to 5. When it says first curve, it will be on one of the lines. So just press enter. Now it jumps to the second curve, which is the second line. We can just press enter once again. But now when it says guess, we want to get in as close as we possibly can to the intersection point, and then press enter. And it tells us our point of intersection. So now we have the solution for our system of equations. We have here that x is equal to 1.2 and y is equal to 2.6. And that's because our calculator actually told us.